Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just enjoying an afternoon snack. Oh, it's time for Boot of the Week. We got some exciting leathers to share with you guys for Boot of the Week. I think this is the first time you guys have seen the workshop. There's some pretty amazing things that happen here. Today we're going to be talking about some cool new leathers that we have coming through. And we're super pumped. We've been working for a long time on these, and today I want to talk about each one of them briefly. We've got a lot of great new work leather options. We're dividing them into 3 categories. We're going to have our max support, our easy break-in, and our weather shield leathers. Many of you are very familiar with our black walnut chocolate. We're going to bring the chocolate back, and we're going to call these our max support. These are our pretty traditional, tried and true black walnut chocolate leathers. As you know, we brought in the 1964 brown last year. It was an absolute success, and so we're now bringing it in black, walnut, chocolate, and natural distressed tan. Rounding out the leathers, we're super excited for these. These are our weather shield leathers in black and in brown. These are silicone infused. They're designed to repel water. These are perfect for those that are in super wet weather applications. Let's take a closer look at some of these cool leathers. This is the 1964 walnut. The smooth side, very close color match to the max support, but you can see the rough outside has a bit more oil in it. It's a little bit more of a distressed look. Annabelle Trades, these are yours. Chocolate 1964 easy break-in. Again, very good color match on the smooth, but you can see the rough out has kind of an oiled, distressed look. Again, the 1964 is easy break-in because it's packed full of oil and grease to expedite the break-in process. This is kind of a secret. I can't even believe I'm showing this to you right now, but this is our 360 degrees stitched. We're calling it the 365 stitch down construction. You saw it on the tactical boot last week. This is with the weatherproof, weather shield leather, brown. We're sealing this thing up completely. The idea here is that no water will wick into the insole. These are on their way to Alaska. And of course, the tactical, this is in the weather shield black. We launched this last week. This is going to somebody with giant feet who's gonna go bang bang, pew pew, and shoot some cool stuff for you. It's gonna be an awesome video. So once again, 3 new work boot categories. Max support black, walnut, chocolate. 1964 easy break-in, black, walnut, chocolate, brown, tan distressed, and weather shield black and brown. All right guys, now it's time for the BBB, the big bonus boot of the week. These things are so heavy. Let's see if I can get it up here. These are Builder Pros, 1964, brown, smooth over rough out. But notice that heel, very interesting. That looks a little shorter. Yes. On our made-to-order boots, we actually let you choose the heel height now. This is what we call a moderate heel, a little shorter than the classic. So again, if you like the 55 and 67, but you've always been like, meh, that heel's a little too high, I don't think that's gonna fly where I live, we're allowing you to put a moderate heel on there, which is a little bit shorter.
Arch, arch, baby. Dun 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 dun. Arch, arch, baby. Dun 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 dun.
You know the best way to choose leather? Some people make it too difficult on themselves. Yes! That's the one I wanted.